Welcome back to And Then There Was Style. Hey everyone, welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. Today we have another great versus comparison type video, and today we're going to be exploring two contrasting styles. The warmth and the charm of a modern country dining room versus the sleek simplicity of a minimalist dining room. So if you are into this type of home decor video, buckle your seatbelt, you are in for a treat. Let's jump right in, and before we do, don't forget to subscribe. So our first stop is the modern country dining room, a space that really radiates warmth and hospitality. Now, in a modern country dining room, you'll often find a blend of rustic elements and a little bit of contemporary design. It's that fusion, the modern and the country. So let's go ahead and explore some key features that define this really inviting style. The first one would be a warm color palette. The color palette is crucial in a modern country dining room. Go ahead and think warm and earthy tones. Think soft browns, muted greens, and warm whites that will all blend together to create a really cozy and welcoming atmosphere. When someone steps into a modern country dining room, it just feels good. It feels like home. Now, these colors are often inspired by nature, evoking a sense of the countryside. Now, while we're at it, let's go ahead and also talk about materials. Now, in a modern country dining room, you'll find a mix of rustic materials. So go ahead and think reclaimed wood for the dining table. Maybe even with a distressed type finish. You can envision wrought iron for the light fixtures or any lamps or accessories that you have nearby. Now, all of these materials combined add character and just a touch of history to the space. Even if the items are all brand new, it just looks like it's been around for a while. Some people love that and some people hate it. Now, we kind of touched on furnishings, but let's dig just a little deeper. Furnishings play a crucial role in creating a comfortable and inviting atmosphere, which is what modern country is really all about. In a modern country dining room, you might find upholstered chairs that gives you that sense of cozy, with really simple classic patterns, none of the bright, bold, maximalist designs here. The goal is to encourage long, leisurely meals and gatherings around the table. So now let's shift gears a little bit. We are going to explore the minimalist dining room, a space that really embraces simplicity and clean lines. Now, in a minimalist dining room, less is more. Let me say it again, less is more. And each element that is there really serves a specific purpose. So as opposed to the warm, earthy tones of a modern country dining room, the color scheme in a minimalist dining room is often neutral and monochromatic. So envision grays, whites, blacks, and it just really combines to create a very clean and serene, calm ambiance. The focus is on creating a simple, uncluttered backdrop that allows each element to stand out. Minimalist dining rooms are characterized by streamlined furniture, a simple, often geometric dining table, and chairs with clean lines take center stage here. The idea is to create a functional and unobtrusive space where form follows function. The strategic use of space is a hallmark of minimalist design. Now, furniture is carefully arranged with purpose. We don't just kind of leave it where it feels good, sometimes like we do with eclectic or boho or even maximalists. We want to leave ample room and enough room for seamless movement throughout the room. The goal is to achieve an open and uncluttered feel, allowing the eye to focus on the essential elements of your room. So now that we've explored the key features of both styles, let's talk about some practical considerations. Now, when choosing between a modern country dining room and a minimalist dining room, it's very essential and important to consider factors like how much space you have in the room, what is your personal preference, and what functionally works the best for you. So if you have a larger dining space and you really enjoy the warm, inviting atmosphere, obviously modern country would be a better fit for you. You would love that more and probably get more usage out of a modern country dining room. The use of rustic materials and comfortable furnishings would make it ideal for creating this cozy, familial, communal space, right? Now, on the other hand, if you have a smaller dining room, or you don't like the rustic or cozy look, you prefer a clean, uncluttered look, which nothing is wrong with, a minimalist dining room might be more suitable for you. The streamlined, straight-edge furniture and the strategic use of space can make a smaller room feel much bigger. At the end of the day, your dining room is a reflection of your personal style. What do you think you would get more usage out of? Let's say you're having a get-together, you have a couple of friends over, your friend circle, your family, you. Are you more comfortable in the cozy, warm room, or are you more comfortable in the uncluttered, streamlined room? Which aesthetic really resonates with you? So lastly, let's talk about functionality. How you use your dining space is crucial in making this decision. If you often host large gatherings and your priority is to have a welcoming atmosphere for all of your friends or family, you know what I mean? If you're the person in your family, or if you are the home that always hosts all the gatherings, the modern country dining room might be better suited for you, but not necessarily. If you prefer a low maintenance space with an emphasis on simplicity, minimalist might be right up your alley, but not necessarily. As you can see here, no matter what you like, I am a huge advocate of make it fit. You know, if you're someone that hosts large gatherings and you love to do it, but you like a simple, uncluttered look, go with the minimalist. You aren't forced to go with modern country just because it gives off a cozy aesthetic. Now, as we wrap up our exploration of modern country and minimalist dining rooms, it's really important to remember it's not a one-size-fits-all answer. Each style has its unique charm and caters to different preferences and personalities and lifestyles. Whether you lean towards the warmth of a modern country dining room or the streamlined simplicity of a minimalist space, the key is to create a dining area that brings joy and suits your individual needs. I really hope this short comparison has provided you with just a little bit of inspiration for your next interior design venture. Definitely don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more home decor content, and share your thoughts down below in the comment section, and of course share this video with someone. As I am starting to say at the end of every video, no matter if your home is modern country, minimalist, or has absolutely nothing in it at all right now, the spirit of gratitude and being grateful for what you have is really the best look for you. Until next time, happy designing, my friends. Stay safe out there. I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Alrighty friends, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I definitely appreciate you taking the time to watch this. If you want to see more, check one of these right here. Also, let me know down below in the comment section if there's a certain video that you'd like to see. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, friends.